Today we are going to learn about integrating machine learning with webhooks and APIs. We'll explore how to set up webhooks for real-time data processing and integrate them with machine learning models, enhancing your skills in automation and API interaction. Welcome to our exploration of webhooks in the context of APIs and machine learning. Webhooks are essential tools that allow applications to communicate with each other in real time, without constant polling. Unlike traditional APIs that require you to request information, webhooks provide data to other applications as soon as a specific event occurs, making them highly efficient for real-time processing. This real-time capability enables more dynamic and responsive interactions between applications, reducing latency and server load. In today's interconnected digital landscape, webhooks are used extensively for notifications, updates, and triggering processes across different platforms. By understanding and leveraging webhooks, developers can create more seamless integrations between services, improving automation and user experience. We will be focusing on how webhooks can be integrated with machine learning models to enhance their real-time functionality. Setting up webhooks for machine learning models involves several critical steps and considerations. First, it's essential to understand the specific requirements of your machine learning model and the type of data it needs to process. This understanding will guide the configuration of the webhook. The setup typically begins with choosing a platform or tool that supports webhooks, such as GitHub, Slack, or custom applications. Once you have a platform, you need to configure the webhook URL, which is a secure endpoint where the data will be sent. This endpoint should be capable of handling incoming requests and processing the data effectively. Integrating webhooks with machine learning models often involves using a middleware or serverless function that can receive the webhook data, process it, and then pass it to the model for prediction or training. During setup, it's crucial to address common challenges such as ensuring data security, managing authentication, and dealing with potential data format issues. By carefully setting up webhooks, you can create a robust system that enhances the real-time capabilities of your machine learning models.
Real-time data processing is a transformative capability that allows businesses and applications to react to changes and events as they happen. Webhooks play a pivotal role in enabling this by sending data immediately when an event occurs, without waiting for a request. This immediacy is crucial for applications requiring up-to-date information, such as financial services, e-commerce platforms, and monitoring systems. By integrating webhooks with data pipelines, developers can ensure that data flows seamlessly from the source to the processing unit, which could be a machine learning model or any other analytical tool. Examples of real-time processing include fraud detection systems that analyze transactions as they occur, stock trading platforms that react to market changes instantly, and personalized content delivery systems that update based on user actions. However, real-time processing also presents challenges, such as handling high data volumes, ensuring data consistency, and maintaining low latency responses. Solutions often involve optimizing data pipelines, using efficient data storage solutions, and leveraging powerful processing engines to handle the workload. By overcoming these challenges, organizations can fully harness the power of real-time data processing. Endpoints are critical components in webhook integration, serving as the destination for webhook data. Configuring endpoints correctly is vital for ensuring that data is received, validated, and processed efficiently. When setting up an endpoint, security is a paramount concern. This includes implementing authentication mechanisms such as signing requests and using HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. Furthermore, endpoints should be designed to validate incoming data to prevent malicious inputs and ensure that the data is in the expected format. Once validated, the data can be processed. These could involve parsing the data, extracting relevant information, and triggering specific actions within the application or machine learning model. It's also important to manage endpoint responses properly, providing appropriate HTTP status codes and handling errors gracefully. Common pitfalls in endpoint configuration include overlooking security measures, failing to handle large volumes of data, and not providing adequate error handling. By addressing these challenges, developers can create robust endpoints that effectively handle webhook data and integrate seamlessly with other application components.
Security is a critical aspect of webhook integration, as webhooks often handle sensitive and real-time data. Protecting this data from unauthorized access and ensuring its integrity is essential for maintaining trust and reliability. One of the primary security measures is authentication, which can be achieved through various methods such as token-based authentication, HMAC signatures, and API keys. These methods help verify the identity of the sender and ensure that the data is coming from a trusted source. In addition to authentication, data encryption is vital for protecting data as it travels over the internet. Using HTTPS ensures that the data is encrypted and secure from interception. Monitoring and logging webhook activity is another critical practice, allowing developers to track webhook usage, detect anomalies, and respond to potential security threats promptly. Common security threats include replay attacks, data tampering, and denial of service attacks. By implementing robust security measures and staying vigilant, developers can protect their webhook integrations from these threats and ensure the safe and reliable operation of their applications.
Testing is a crucial step in ensuring the functionality and reliability of webhook integrations. It involves verifying that the webhook is set up correctly, the endpoint can handle the incoming data, and the system responds as expected. Various tools and platforms are available for testing webhooks, such as Postman, RequestBin, and custom scripts. These tools help simulate real-world scenarios, allowing developers to test how the system behaves under different conditions. It is essential to test for various cases, including normal operation, handling of unexpected data formats, and response to errors. Testing should also cover the system's ability to handle high volumes of data and maintain performance under load. Error handling is a critical aspect of testing, as it determines how the system responds to failures, such as network issues or invalid data. Continuous monitoring and improvement are vital for maintaining the reliability of webhook integrations. By regularly testing and refining the system, developers can ensure that it operates smoothly and effectively, providing accurate and timely data to the connected services. Integrating webhooks with popular platforms can significantly enhance their functionality and utility. Platforms like Slack, GitHub, and others provide built-in support for webhooks, making it relatively straightforward to set up and start using them. For instance, Slack allows users to send messages, notifications, and data updates directly to channels using incoming webhooks. This capability is beneficial for real-time collaboration and alerting teams about important events. Similarly, GitHub's webhook features enable users to automate workflows by triggering actions in response to repository events, such as new commits or pull requests. These integrations can streamline development processes, improve team communication, and enhance project management. Custom platform integrations may require additional configuration and development effort, but they offer the flexibility to tailor the webhook functionality specifically to organizational needs. By leveraging platform-specific webhooks, developers can unlock new possibilities for automation and efficiency, making their applications more dynamic and responsive to changes in the environment. Examining case studies of successful webhook implementations provides valuable insights into their practical applications and benefits across different industries. In the e-commerce sector, companies have used webhooks to streamline inventory management by automatically updating stock levels in response to sales and returns. This real-time data processing helps prevent stockouts and overstocking, improving customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. In the financial industry, webhooks have been employed to enhance fraud detection systems, allowing them to react instantly to suspicious transactions and mitigate potential losses. Another example is the integration of webhooks in IoT applications, where they enable real-time monitoring and control of devices, improving automation and user interaction. These success stories highlight the impact of webhooks on business operations, demonstrating their ability to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance decision-making. Lessons learned from these implementations include the importance of robust security measures, thorough testing, and continuous monitoring to ensure reliable performance. As technology evolves, the use of webhooks is expected to expand further, with new trends and innovations driving their adoption in various fields. In conclusion, webhooks are powerful tools that enable real-time data integration and processing, significantly enhancing the functionality and responsiveness of modern applications. By integrating webhooks with machine learning models, developers can create systems that automatically react to changes in their environment, improving efficiency and decision-making. Throughout this tutorial, we've explored the setup, configuration, and security considerations for webhook integration, alongside real-world examples and case studies. As you continue your journey in mastering webhooks, we encourage you to explore additional resources and experiment with different platforms and configurations. By doing so, you'll unlock new possibilities for innovation and automation in your projects. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing the creative ways you apply webhooks in your work.